So I go pick up Alex. We're here at the wonderful something, and he's got a solid.
I've got ample leg room, dude. I'm good.
Like a solid 4 inches of leg room, because we got this beast back here. A nice ladder.
You know, I can't really turn to look at the camera too easily, but oh, there we go. Yeah, no, this is okay. I'm totally fine with this.
Oh, it's super great.
I can fix this. I think. Can I get the other way?
Oh.
Okay, no, now I can't move my head.
Oh,
okay,
God.
that's scary. Wait.
Open the window.
I got this. Okay. Oh, now my seatbelt's locked.
Oh no. Oh my God. What's going on here?
I got it. Oh, and now I just moved your mirror.
You might as well just lay in the back.
Okay, so I'll just lay on the ladder.
Oh yeah.
Why is this not?
Coffee's on sale. $1.05.
Wow.
For a large coffee. Yeah, it started yesterday.
This is like,
Pretty deadly, if I do say so myself.
Yeah, this is pretty deadly.
Yeah, you're just having the time of your life over there.
I'm okay. Wait.
It looks like you're shoving some, like, it looks like you're paralyzed. It totally looks
I'm
like...
going to be paralyzed after this trip, dude. There's no way out of oh. Okay.
So yeah, this is our life. This is what we have to do to make stuff work.
I'm good. I mean, I don't know what you're complaining about, but I'm totally fine.
Yeah, actually, you know what? Yeah, you're fine.
I'm
over
okay.
there. Yeah, we're gonna head to the shop.
As long as the airbag doesn't go off.
Yeah,
Good.
that's You just bust your kneecaps. Gosh,
Oh, no.
that wouldn't be good. Okay, off to the shop.
Off to the shop! Woo!
So we're doing this thing with the cat. We're gonna see how much we can spend.
Oh no.
Oh, he's kind of getting dizzy.
Let's get her dizzy. Come on. Oh no.
He's breathing really heavy. He's like, oh my gosh.
Come on, Pat May. Yeah, let's get Lotus going. He's the quickest.
Oh my gosh, he's doing it.
Oh, come on, no, he's sitting down. Come on. He's like,
Does he know better?
I think he does now. It's like, oh, that was the last time.
We got him the one time where oh, if I can't grab, there we go. We got him the one time. And I wish I would have got it on video, but I was just sitting there twirling it around, and he went this round and round and round, and he got so dizzy he actually like
He stumbled.
yeah, he stumbled and he's like
fell on his
falling over.
side.
He's like, oh gosh. Oh, it was freaking hilarious. Yeah, he knows a little.
I think they're both a little bit dizzy right now. They're just sitting down.
All right, welcome back, everyone. What the heck are they doing over there?
Those cats. I don't know.
Are they inside?
Yeah, I think he went inside. I don't know.
Uh,
Well, that's a good way to start off the video.
get interrupted by oh, there, and that. Oh yeah, he was in the front.
Lotus.
Anyway, back again today. We got a little present. Not a present. We bought it ourselves, but it's a present. Sure.
Yeah, it's an early Christmas present. New glass for the van.
Ta-da! Because we have no glass.
Because some guy broke my glass.
He broke. It's not good.
Yeah. Well, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna actually vacuum out all this broken glass.
Clean up some stuff.
And then possibly take the door panel off so we can throw in that new glass.
Which, get the heck out of the way. Get out of there. Get out of here. Yeah, obviously,
It's gonna be fun.
the door panel's in there.
So, we're gonna have to work on it like this.
We'll just friggin' shove something in there, lock it open.
Well, actually, I can, if I go like this, and then I hit it again. I can
Oh,
actually do it
it's
manually.
free moving. Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I did not know that.
It's fancy.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do is, climb out of the van window because we're the coolest guy in the world.
Yeah, so let's get the glass vacuumed out. Let's
Vacuum
maybe
some
wipe
glass.
off some of this glue that's on here from all of
The tape,
that was
the
on.
duct tape, and the
Yeah.
packing tape.
And then we'll pull off the door panels and let's get the glass in.
Let's get that glass in, yeah. All right, so I don't know if you can see, maybe right there. But yes, it's pretty dirty. Just sprayed it down with some stuff. Get to my cloth, my trusty cloth. Give everything a wipe down. Slightly dirty. Not bad.
Only slightly dirty.
Only sat in the warehouse for X amount of years, you know.
Jeez, that's pretty bad. There, I think we got something a little better here.
An actual microfiber.
Woo!
That will work better. Got some stuff here and there, but
Because that's just a chamois.
shimmy. Wow, I still didn't get all of it off on that corner.
I have to try and get the little bits of glass out from inside here. And it's proving to be a real challenge, so I think what I have to do is use a door panel remover or flathead screwdriver, whatever I've got, and just run it along there and knock all the pieces of glass out while holding the vacuum up underneath as I go along so that I don't knock glass everywhere. How's that looking? Ooh, shiny.
A little better than
That's not bad.
the one that we have in there already.
Yeah, little cleaner. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Look at, there's still so much glass underneath the wood.
Oh my gosh. What a mess.
Progress report.
Looks like I got all the Torx out. We
You almost got all the Torx out?
We don't have a Torx bit, so you gotta
Gotta improvise.
adapt and overcome, baby. Yeah, I think I got all of them. But
Yeah, we just gotta get this one screw out back here to get the rest of this off.
yeah.
And then we can pull this off.
Yeah, there's got to be some other hidden ones, unless it's these two that are keeping it in on the electrical stuff there.
Ooh. It seems to, it gets tight right up in here. Oops.
Yeah, I don't.
So. But I did roll the motor up and down a couple times just to see, but maybe I'm gonna put the key in and see if that.
Hey, yeah, that's a smart idea.
I just thought of that. Can't roll the window up and down without the key in.
We'll get back to you. So,
This was a nice van.
yeah, it's so the way that they did this is not very
Not I hate engineers.
you hear that? Don't become an engineer.
Okay, so become an engineer if that's like what you're passionate about.
Do it right.
So here's the issue. You got our window.
Brand new immaculate window. Very, very dead sexy.
It only drops in through the top, but the issue is you can't get in through the top, right? You might be thinking, oh, just turn it sideways and fit it in there and then turn it in. Well, no, that doesn't actually work either. So the only way, and I think they designed it this way, which is actually good, but at the same time, it really sucks.
They usually vehicle manufacturers design it so you have to bring it into the actual dealership to get anything fixed. And that way they get your cha-ching, right?
Yeah, that's just the way it works these days.
Yeah, nowadays it works like that.
So, but they did design it in a way that you can get the window in. The only issue is they do it with metal along here, and then if you'll come over here, they do metal down to here until this part, and then you're supposed to pull this plastic off in order to fit the window in through that gap. But
now
it's very difficult to get this plastic off without breaking it.
Freaking get this off, and we really don't care. We really don't want to wreck the outside of the van because it is pristine, and
for the most part.
Yeah, for the most part. But yeah, we don't really care about the interior. Well, we do care about the interior, but
not to the extent of we gotta polish one little spot. But
exactly.
At the same time, it's just it sucks because it's so difficult to get this off without actually breaking it. And there's just tabs along here. There's tabs all the way along that just have to pop out of there, but they're in there, and I'm afraid I'm gonna break this.
Yeah, that's the. Yeah.
Let's just see if I can get one off here. If I can get one off, then
she's gonna be loud.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay. No, that just broke the tab. But that's okay. I can actually replace that tab.
Yay!
At least they put in replaceable ones, which is nice. Oh, and that's double-sided tape.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
okay.
The stuff you find.
Oh, that broke too. But now we can get the window in.
Well, now we're putting on double-sided tape.
Yeah. So these are the tabs that they put in. If you guys don't know, I used to work in auto body. These actually just slide out of there, and then you can get new ones that slide in. But it still sucks because, I don't have those tabs, and you have to buy a full kit of them.
And that's probably stupid expensive.
And you know what? It's more expensive to just buy
singly. Yeah.
So,
yeah, that's our lives.
All right. Well, we're gonna try and fit this window in here now. So, well, we have a window and a working door.
That's different.
What's different?
I can't see through there that good now.
Oh yeah. Yeah, no, we got that in, so now we can get this thing back on the road.
Yep, get some registration and insurance, and
It's winter, so we kind of need a window.
that is very important.
Yeah.
Just you need a window.
Mm-hmm. All right. Well, let's get back to the regular scheduled programming, I guess.
That's right.